Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, a little tight space right here.
Like my little got mail.
That's pretty cool. Nice. So what's in here in your name, man?
My name is David Higdon. I have a flat wall build with 3 TMF 515s on one Everest 5K. Wired at 1.5 ohms. Box rise to, I believe, 5.8. So I'm clamping under 2,000 watts. Yeah.
Wow. And you just broke your windshield recently, or has it been having problems?
So this crack started and slowly spidered and then got here today and then finished it off.
Yeah, man. Well, I guess that's an accomplishment. Or it sucks too.
Big giant holes in the firewall.
Yeah. So what is your box tuning on it, you know?
So we tuned it with 3 Defcon's 3515s. And then switched them out to TMF5s.
Yeah.
Peaking right about 39 hertz.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. The sun just came out of nowhere and it's just brutal.
Oh yeah.
The shade was blocked from the clouds. It's better sun than rain though. It's about 98 degrees plus the temperature in the vehicle over 100 degrees, just talking on video. All right. Oh, well, you have AC too. Little flap thing too, that's unique. I'm gonna go check out the whip in the back.
Alright, so the PRV, that's going to the 10s. TS power is going to the horns, and then Everest 5K is on this side in the back.
Okay. Alright. I like your little flat thing too, that's unique.